Hi everybody, I am here with my dad Steve right there.
Hello.
And I'm going to tell him about season change and climate change. So Dad, do you know why we have seasons? Or would you like me to tell you?
I would like to be informed, please.
Awesome. Alright, 1 second. So, I've lived for about 21 seasons now, 21 winters. And I learned in class that 1, the sun provides heat. Did you know that?
I did know that, yes.
Well, that's good. And then the sun's radiation heats our rocks and our water, and those in turn heat the air. And really, we're just one big rock. Like, have you ever seen the heat coming off of a rock, or when you touch the ground, it feels a lot warmer than the air?
I have, yes.
Yeah. And then number 3, not all places on Earth receive the same amount of heat. And that's a big part of why we have seasons, is the Earth's tilt and the axis and rotation. So yeah, do you have any questions about why we have seasons?
That's very interesting. I'd like to learn more about it because I am definitely concerned about global warming and
Our environment?
our environment. It means a lot to me.
I'll definitely keep you updated as we go through this class. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you about climate change. Climate change is essentially the warming of the Earth at an alarming rate. And each year it's getting hotter and hotter. Like the hottest year on record is always 2014, 2015 next, 2016, and so on, except for 2017 because of El Nino. But it can be habitat loss, species extinction, pollution. It's a really wicked problem, and there's not a solution. We just have to do what we can to make it better. It's caused by you and I. As humans, we breathe in oxygen and let out carbon dioxide. So, all in all, we need to find our humanity. We need to be less selfish and just try and, be a drop in the ocean and make things better. Okay, so do you have any questions?
Yes, I do. How, as a family, can we reduce our carbon footprint and do our part to help with this issue and make people realize how serious it is?
Well, I've learned a lot so far. We've only had 2 or 3 class sessions at this point, but some of the things that really struck me were when my professor said, why as humans do we turn up our furnace in the winter so we can walk around our house in shorts? Like that's just selfish use of resources for us to be comfortable. We're creatures who, are selfish and like to be comfortable, but there's just so many things that we could do like that. Or one thing I learned about was the Just Say No to Straws project, which is where you go to a restaurant and you don't take one of those plastic straws, and that helps out too.
That's really great. Very very informative. I've never thought about it in that concept there. The fact like the straw thing would be if everybody in the world did that.
What a difference, right?
It would make such a difference. I mean, in the the plastic water bottles are something that I think about, and you hear about whales washing up, and
Yeah.
they find all kinds of stuff
In their bellies, and yeah.
in their belly, the plastic bags and so forth. So, I mean, people. In Europe, I know people take like their grocery bags. They have their own grocery bags. They reuse. They don't get a new one every
Yeah,
time.
those cloth ones, that could be something you guys do.
Yeah, yeah.
That'd be awesome.
We could do a lot. We really could, and just as a family, we could do a lot. And then if we could pass it on to our extended family too.
Yeah, educate.
Everybody that I think if they seen us doing it and we give them if you explained it like you did to me, makes all the difference in the world when you think about something as simple as a straw. There's it's such a big world, and we all have to. It's going whole world.
Of course.
To turn this thing and try to get it.
Wicked problem under control. Yeah. Well, thanks, Dad, for helping me out.
Well, you're more than welcome, and thank you for the informative talk. I really did enjoy it.
Glad.
And I hope I can get some updates from you as you go along, and you and I can start to work on that here and reducing our footprint, our carbon footprint.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Yep. Talk to you.